Hey, DJ Mikey Mike in Direct Sound, and we are here at Cascades Restaurant and Golf Course. We're getting ready to set up. Actually, we're here a day early just to take some pictures and video of the pre-setup. So let's take a look at this tent, what we're going to do to it. We're going to set up on the other side right there where that table is. We got a big dance floor. We're going to vertical truss around it. Big ceiling. Here's the before look. Real pretty look with the waterfall. Hey, DJ Mikey Mike here with Direct Sound, and we are getting ready to set up here at Cascades. They have all the tables set in, and we'll show you what we have to work with. Okay. When I got here, that big bush right there was in the back corner where we're going to set up, so I moved that to the dance floor. We got the decorating crew here. They're decorating all the foo-foo stuff and doing a great job. I brought in a carpet to lay down for the grass area for the equipment. We have a band going to be setting up right here. We'll be doing trussing around the dance floor and vertical or horizontal trussing above the band and uplighting down the wall. So here's the before. Hey, DJ Mikey Mike. Okay, we just got everything loaded in and kind of set in place, and now we're just getting ready to start wiring. I'll take a quick look. Just had a chicken sandwich. Oh, awesome. Okay, we're gonna have a band we're playing in with tonight. I put up my vertical or my horizontal truss with some LED shadows on top. There's our system in the back. Uplighting is gonna go all the way around the room. Some moving heads and projectors. And as you can see, the Revos and Gobo projectors and things are running down along with the sidewall there. The one issue I have is this cable here isn't quite long enough to make it to where I need it to go, so I have to run it under the dance floor. So unfortunately they didn't block in the dance floor properly, so I can get it out and back together before we'll have an issue. Hey, DJ Mikey Mike in Direct Sound, and we just got all set up, just putting some final touches on. Guess they'll be here in about 30 minutes. Looking good. I lost one moving head light, looks like, but that's okay. Just take a look again. That's okay. So we're running a slideshow for them. We're running uplighting, decor lighting, wash lighting, background sound for their display. Also, we're have the band plugged into our system for a huge fill for the whole room, because the band doesn't, they just have the two speakers in the front, so we're using our fill for the band. We got them plumbed into our system. Take a quick look around, and it's a black tie event, so I got my tux and we're ready to roll. We got the facade. I don't think I'm going to backlight the facade. I'm going to kind of stay in the background here. We got the video going right now for their show. We're running Show Express right now for all the lighting, like normal. There's their logo that we're running the slideshow from that computer. Running our wireless DMX system for the center trussing. We got the new P Super right there by the floor. We got our speakers buried in the bushes. We got six black lights. We got their logo going on top. We got the ultimate support. Oh, excuse me. We have the global truss tripods going up about 12 feet there. There's our system in the back. Uplighting all the way around. And we're running our double projecting system with a projector here on this side and one on the other side. Beautiful view of the golf course and the lakes. The waterfall. And there's the second projector up top. It's still pretty light out, so it's what time is it? It's only 6 o'clock, so it's still pretty bright outside. We have some Revos against the wall there. Gobo projector. running static roses. You can tell the difference between a 250 watt halogen and a 250 watt discharge. One looks brown or dirty. Then we have our strobe, the strobe panels. So we're going to use white wash. We can also do the flashing in the back there with all the LED panels against the wall here for more light fill for the back rooms, because all they have is small little bulb lights in the front. So they got these little bulb lights. So we brought in our LED panels to give us some more fill. And when it gets a little darker, I'll adjust the uplighting to go a little more up the tent. We have another gobo right here. Got another gobo right here, courtesy of Roscoe. Those guys are awesome over there. And we have another gobo spinning. It's really hard to see with a roto gobo as the guests walk into the front. If we can see it very faintly, right here. Miss Hunter over there at Roscoe, she totally took care of us and got us some awesome looking gobos in a short period of time. It's beautiful. Really appreciate that. There's 3 tents. One's 40 by 80. We got a 40 by 30 and a 30 by 20. A lot of people, 400 people here today. We started setting up at 10. We got done at 4:30, and now we're back at 6 or 5:30 to start the night. It's a huge night. This was an absolute fundraising event, completely free. I donated all my time and effort for their charity. Approximately $7,800 worth of equipment I would have charged for this. There's the waterfall. Here's our rig. That's our load in.
Hey man.
You all set?
You clean up good.
See you too. Here's our entrance. Let's take a look, see what the guests are going to see. Okay, they're going to see the spinning gobo as they walk in. Uplighting completely down the side walls. We got our speakers split so they can get good coverage all the way around the room. They got their carving stations for all their food. And those black lights are going to make all this white pop really nice. It's going to be really cool. That was my thought behind that. So when it gets a little darker, we'll shoot some more video for us. See how it goes. Their little baby feed logos. We got the Revos going. Green uplighting. My one moving head, the light went out.